A scientist recruited by the renowned Cleveland Clinic is stuck in India because his visa is delayed. An entrepreneur courted by Silicon Valley companies had his application denied. Many green card applicants have new interviews to pass. The Trump administration has pursued its immigration agenda loudly and noticeably, ramping up arrests of undocumented immigrants, barring most travel from several majority Muslim countries, and pressing the case for a border wall. But it has also quietly, and with much less resistance, slowed many forms of legal immigration without the need for Congress to rescind a single visa program enshrined in the law. Immigration and State Department officials are more closely scrutinizing, and have started more frequently denying, visas for people seeking to visit the United States on business, as well as for those recruited by American companies, according to lawyers representing visa seekers. Foreigners already in the United States whose employers wish to extend their stay also are facing new hurdles. "I call this the real wall," said Anastasia Tonilo, the president-elect of the American Immigration Lawyers Association. "The wall is being built." The changes show how the Trump administration has managed to carry out the least attention-grabbing, but perhaps farthest-reaching, portion of the president's immigration plans, cutting the number of people entering the United States each year as temporary workers or permanent residents. The administration has put into practice the philosophy President Trump laid out in a pair of executive orders billed as protecting the nation from terrorism and its workers from foreign competition. One of them, the Buy American, Hire American order, singles out the H-1B visa program for skilled workers who otherwise would not be allowed into the country. Hailed by proponents as vital to American innovation, H-1Bs also have been derided as a way to displace United States workers with cheaper foreign labor. In one highly publicized case, some Disney employees were told to train their foreign replacements if they wanted severance payments. Each year, 85,000 H-1Bs, which are valid for 3 to 6 years, are available to companies, according to a ceiling set by Congress. Demand far outstrips supply when the economy is healthy, prompting the government to hold a lottery. But now even applicants lucky enough to be chosen are drawing more scrutiny. Officials are asking for extra details about applicants' education and work history, the position to be filled and the employer, requiring the company to amass many additional documents, which can postpone a decision by several months. For H-1Bs, the number of such requests for evidence from January to August this year jumped 44% compared with the same period last year, according to the most recent data from United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. So far, the government is still greenlighting most H-1B applications that survive the lottery, but the approval rate is inching down. For the first 2 months of this fiscal year, October and November, 86% and 82% of H-1B applications were approved.